Hey there, exhausted parents. Struggling with a baby who just won't sleep? You're not alone. From midnight wake-ups to nap-time battles, it can feel like an endless cycle. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we're breaking down why babies resist sleep, and more importantly, how you can fix it. If you're ready to reclaim your sleep and sanity, keep watching. 1. Common sleep struggles. Many parents struggle with getting their babies to sleep. It can be exhausting when your little one wakes up every hour, only takes short naps, or resists bedtime altogether. These sleep challenges are very common, and there are several reasons behind them. Babies often wake up frequently because they're hungry or uncomfortable. A wet diaper, feeling too hot or cold, or even teething pain can disrupt their sleep. Overstimulation before bedtime can also make it hard for them to relax and fall asleep. Babies are curious and sensitive to their surroundings, so too much noise, light, or excitement can keep them wide awake. Another reason is separation anxiety. Babies are naturally attached to their caregivers and might feel anxious when they're alone in their crib. Sometimes, they just miss you and need some reassurance to feel safe and secure. It's also important to remember that babies have shorter sleep cycles than adults. They move through light and deep sleep more quickly, making them more likely to wake up throughout the night. Understanding why your baby is struggling to sleep is the first step to finding a solution. By identifying the root cause, whether it's hunger, discomfort, overstimulation, or separation anxiety, you can address the issue more effectively. With patience and the right approach, you can help your baby sleep better and make bedtime less stressful for both of you. 2. Sleep cycles and development. Babies sleep very differently from adults, and understanding this can make those sleepless nights a bit easier to handle. Did you know that babies have much shorter sleep cycles? Unlike adults who go through about 90-minute sleep cycles, babies cycle through light and deep sleep every 50 to 60 minutes. This frequent transition makes them more likely to wake up easily. During the light sleep stage, babies are more alert to their surroundings. Any slight noise, discomfort, or even just realizing they're alone can wake them up. This is completely normal, but it can feel exhausting when you're up multiple times a night, soothing them back to sleep. Growth spurts and developmental milestones also play a big role in disrupting their sleep schedules. During growth spurts, babies need more calories, which can lead to more frequent feedings, even at night. Developmental milestones like learning to crawl, walk, or even talk can also affect their sleep. Their brains are so busy processing new skills that they might wake up more often. Understanding these patterns helps you set realistic expectations. It's normal for babies to wake up frequently, and it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. Knowing why it happens can help you approach midnight wake-ups with more patience and less frustration. It's all part of their growth and development journey, and it won't last forever. 3. Gentle versus structured methods. When it comes to helping your baby sleep better, there are two main approaches: gentle methods and structured methods. Understanding the difference between them can help you decide what works best for your family. Gentle methods focus on providing comfort and security. This includes rocking your baby to sleep, nursing them until they're drowsy, or even co-sleeping. These methods are all about creating a soothing environment that helps your baby feel safe and loved. They're great for building a strong bond and can make nighttime feel less stressful for both of you. However, there's a downside. These methods can create sleep associations. For example, if your baby always falls asleep while being rocked, they might struggle to fall back asleep on their own during the night. On the other hand, structured methods are more routine-based and involve teaching your baby to self-soothe. One well-known method is cry it out, where you let your baby cry for a certain amount of time before comforting them. It can be effective for establishing independent sleep habits, but it's not for everyone. Some parents find it too difficult emotionally, and some babies respond better than others. The key is to choose a method that suits your parenting style and your baby's personality. Some babies thrive with gentle methods, while others adapt well to a more structured approach. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, so trust your instincts and be patient with the process. 4. Room setup and routines. Creating the perfect sleep environment is crucial for helping your baby get the rest they need. Babies are sensitive to their surroundings, and even small changes can make a big difference in how well they sleep. By setting up a cozy, sleep-friendly room, you can help your baby feel more comfortable and relaxed, making it easier for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. One of the first things to consider is lighting. Babies are sensitive to light, and even a little sunlight coming through the window can wake them up or make it harder for them to settle down. This is where blackout curtains come in. Blackout curtains completely block out light, creating a dark and peaceful environment that signals to your baby that it's time to sleep. This is especially helpful during daytime naps when sunlight can be bright. By keeping the room dark, you're helping your baby understand the difference between day and night, which supports a healthy sleep routine. Another useful tool is a white noise machine. When babies are in the womb, they're surrounded by constant noise, like the sound of a heartbeat and other bodily functions. This makes them used to a certain level of background noise, so complete silence can feel strange or unsettling to them. A white noise machine recreates this comforting background sound, helping your baby relax. It also masks other noises around the house, like footsteps, voices, or the TV, preventing these sounds from waking them up. Room temperature also plays a significant role in sleep quality. Babies sleep best in a room that is comfortably cool, not too hot and not too cold. The ideal temperature is usually between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. If the room is too warm, your baby might feel restless and uncomfortable. On the other hand, if it's too cold, they could wake up feeling chilly. To maintain the right temperature, dress your baby in lightweight, breathable sleepwear and use a light blanket or sleep sack if needed. This helps them feel snug without overheating. Consistency is another key factor when it comes to creating a sleep-friendly environment. Establishing a calming bedtime routine helps your baby understand that it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep. Babies thrive on routine, as it gives them a sense of security and predictability. This routine can include activities like a warm bath, gentle massage, or quiet story time. You might also play soft lullabies or sing a soothing song to help them relax. By repeating these activities each night, they become familiar and comforting signals that let your baby know it's time for bed. In addition to these strategies, make sure the sleep environment is safe. The crib should have a firm mattress with a fitted sheet, and the area around the crib should be free of loose blankets, pillows, and stuffed animals to reduce the risk of suffocation. Keeping the crib clutter-free creates a safe and comfortable space where your baby can sleep peacefully. By setting up a dark, quiet, and comfortably cool room with a consistent bedtime routine, you create an ideal sleep environment for your baby. This helps them feel secure and relaxed, making it easier for them to fall asleep and get the restful sleep they need for healthy growth and development. 5. Share your sleep experiences. Every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Don't hesitate to share your experiences and learn from other parents. Whether it's in parenting groups or online communities, swapping tips and tricks can be super helpful. And that's it. Sleep struggles are tough, but with patience and the right approach, you can help your baby sleep better and finally get some rest yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other sleep-deprived parents. For any sleep tips or experiences, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams to you and your little one.